Carrier AC error code E5 signifies an overcurrent protection error, meaning the system detected excessive current draw. This typically indicates a problem with the compressor, motor, or related electrical components. When this happens, the system shuts down to prevent damage like motor burnout or electrical fires. Newer Carrier units integrate with apps for real-time error logs, while older models are more susceptible due to aging components. Several factors can trigger an E5 error in Carrier AC units. The most common culprits are faulty start or run capacitors, which fail in about 20 to 30% of cases due to wear and age. Wiring issues are another frequent cause, including loose connections that create resistance or voltage fluctuations that overload the system. Environmental factors like high ambient temperatures can also trigger E5 errors by putting extra strain on the compressor, causing it to draw more current than normal. Electrical imbalances such as short circuits or locked rotors are also common causes, where the system detects abnormal current flow and shuts down for safety. Identifying the specific cause of the E5 error is crucial for applying the right fix and ensuring the problem doesn't return. One of the most common fixes for an E5 error is replacing a faulty capacitor. The capacitor helps start and run the compressor motor, and when it fails, it can cause the overcurrent protection to trigger. Before handling any electrical components, safety is crucial. First, turn off the power to the air conditioning unit at the circuit breaker to prevent electric shock. Next, discharge the capacitor by shorting its terminals with an insulated screwdriver. This releases any stored electrical charge and makes it safe to touch. Now, identify the capacitor ratings. Look for the microfarad rating, usually marked as MEF, and the voltage rating. Make a note of these values, for example, 40 MFF at 370 volts. Purchase an identical replacement capacitor with the exact same microfarad and voltage ratings. Using the wrong capacitor can cause damage or create new problems. Carefully remove the old capacitor by disconnecting its wires. Use wire cutters if needed, and make sure to note which wire connects to which terminal. Connect the new capacitor, matching the wires to the correct terminals. If the capacitor is polarized, ensure proper orientation, usually marked with a plus or minus sign. After replacement, restore power and test the unit. This capacitor replacement often resolves the E5 overcurrent error by ensuring proper motor starting and running. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the E5 error, more advanced diagnostics are needed. This might involve checking the compressor windings for shorts, testing the contactor relay, or inspecting the wiring harness for damage. These procedures typically require specialized tools and expertise, making professional servicing the best course of action. Preventing E5 errors in your Carrier AC unit requires proactive maintenance to keep the system running smoothly and avoid overcurrent issues. First, schedule annual tune-ups with a qualified HVC technician. These professional inspections check critical components like capacitors and relays, ensuring they function properly before problems arise. Second, keep the outdoor unit clean and free of debris. Proper airflow prevents the compressor from working too hard, reducing the risk of overcurrent protection triggers. Third, consider installing a surge protector. Power surges can damage electrical components and cause the system to draw excessive current, leading to E5 errors. Fourth, regularly inspect wiring connections for tightness. Loose connections can create electrical resistance, increasing current draw and potentially triggering overcurrent protection. By following these preventive maintenance steps, you extend your AC unit's lifespan and significantly minimize the risk of overcurrent issues that cause E5 errors. Newer Carrier units incorporate smart HVAC technology that revolutionizes how we handle error codes like E5. These advanced systems go beyond basic diagnostics by providing real-time monitoring and predictive capabilities. The smart technology enables real-time error logs, allowing technicians and homeowners to access detailed system data instantly. Even more importantly, it provides predictive alerts that can notify you of potential overloads before an E5 error actually occurs. Integration with apps like the Carrier app or compatible platforms such as Nest and Ecobee makes identification and resolution much faster. Instead of waiting for symptoms, You receive notifications on your smartphone and can often resolve issues remotely. This proactive approach significantly reduces system downtime, as problems can be addressed before they cause complete shutdowns. AI driven optimization further enhances reliability by automatically adjusting to fluctuating power inputs and environmental conditions. The future of HVAC maintenance is moving toward IoT enabled preventive care, where smart systems continuously monitor your air conditioning unit and provide alerts before E5 errors can develop. AI algorithms are increasingly capable of predicting minor E5 causes and even resolving them remotely, potentially cutting service calls by up to 40%, according to industry reports. Sustainability efforts are focusing on energy efficient capacitors that have longer lifespans, which means fewer E5 errors over time and lower environmental impact. However, global supply chain issues remain a challenge, potentially driving up repair costs due to difficulties obtaining replacement parts. Looking ahead, expect advancements in autonomous diagnostics, where AI systems can fully handle troubleshooting and minor fixes remotely, significantly reducing E5 incidents in the coming years.